Welcome all. Wait, beta, wait. Very happy good evening, Mukul, Rishikesh, Anubhav, Vibhas. Welcome all, beta. Welcome all. How are you all, beta? Class will start in next 30 seconds. Audio and video is clear to all of you, beta? थोड़ी सी आवाज आ रही होगी बैकग्राउंड में, अभी थोड़ी देर में गायब हो जाएगी। मूर्ति विसर्जन के लिए जा रहे हैं भक्तगण, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट वॉइस। Are you all able to hear me better now? Shall we move forward? Please confirm beta audio and video is clear to all of you. Start किया जाए? Okay beta. So you're all welcome. As you all know, this is Gaurav Srivastav Sir, Educator Head, GATE Chemic Learning App, GATE Chemic Institute. वेट 1 मिनट बेटा, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा चेंज कर दें इसे हम। वेट, इट्स रेगुला फॉल्सी। ओके, सो नाउ वी आर इन लेक्चर नंबर 4 बेटा। टुडे आई विल डिस्कस बाइसेक्शन मेथड एंड रेगुला फॉल्सी मेथड। ओके, हेलो बेटा केदार। बेटा थोड़ी सी आवाज़ जो आ रही है बैकग्राउंड में, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट। मूर्ति विसर्जन के लिए जा रही है, बस आई थिंक 10 to 15 मिनट के अंदर निकल जाएगी हमारे घर के सामने से। ओके, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट। अभी वॉइस और क्लियर हो जाएगी। ओके, सो विदाउट एनी डिले बेटा आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट बाइसेक्शन मेथड। अभी जो बोल रहे हैं आप सुन पा रहे हो ना? प्लीज कंफर्म, जस्ट राइट यस इन कमेंट सेक्शन अगेन। आर यू एबल टू हियर मी? प्लीज टेल मी बेटा एवरीवन, आर यू ऑल एबल टू हियर मी? ओके, सो शैल वी मूव फॉरवर्ड? ओके, सो बेटा फर्स्ट मेथड इज बाइसेक्शन मेथड। ओके, bisection method. What does it mean? Bisection, that means if you want to solve any algebraic or transcendental equation by using bisection method, then in that case beta step number 1 is guess. How to guess beta? First guess a root A followed by guess a root B such that FA into FB comes negative. How is that possible? Like if FA is पॉजिटिव, या बेटा वेरी नॉइस, अभी सही हो जाएगा नॉइस बेटा। मूर्ति जा रही है हमारे घर के सामने से, सो इट विल टेक अप्रॉक्सीमेटली फ्यू मोर मिनट। ओके, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, इसीलिए हम सारा लिख दे रहे हैं। ओके, सो अगर आपको मिलता है इफ यू गॉट एफ ए पॉजिटिव एफ बी नेगेटिव, देन इट्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन 100% यू विल गेट नेगेटिव हियर टू। ओके, सो आपको ऐसा दो गैस करना है, यू हैव टू चूज these type of guesses. If you got this guess, then your first iteration should be simple. It's a plus b by 2. Bisection. This is your guess number 1 in this diagram. In this graph you can see beta, this is your guess number 1, this is your guess number 2. that is, this is your A, this is your B. So this is your first approximation, beta. This is your first approximation. Now in second step, calculate fx1. This fx1 can be positive, this fx1 can be negative. If it is 0, that means it is placed here. But if not 0, if 0, then you got exact root. If fx1 is 0, if this is 0, that means x1 is exact root. But if fx1 is not 0, then it may positive, it may negative. If it is positive, then your new root will lie between negative and positive, because this side shows negative value and this side shows positive value. So here now, suppose our x1 is negative here, suppose x1 is negative, then it means now our root will be between fa and this negative value. Wait, I am defining it again. See here, suppose fx1 is positive. If this is positive, then now root will be between this x1 and, because this is positive, so take negative 1, x1 and b. But if fx1 is negative, then your root will be between this x1 and, because this is negative, so take positive 1. So at a it is positive a. Okay, now you will get any one case. Suppose you got this one, then what should be our next approximation? Your next approximation will be x1 plus b by 2. It will give you x2. But if this one is your case, then x2 will be x1 plus a by 2. Okay, so in this way proceed till you got same values in approximations, approximately same value in approximation, or perform iterations as asked in your given problem. Okay, I think अभी वॉइस क्लियर हो गई होगी बेटा. कैसी मूर्ति? वही बेटा जो लक्ष्मी माता की मूर्ति कुछ जगहों की गई थी, कुछ जगह की अभी नहीं गई थी. हमारे शहर गोरखपुर में, तो हमारे घर के पीछे वाली गली में जो मूर्ति थी, वो मूर्ति का विसर्जन करने के लिए भक्तगढ़ ले जा रहे हैं, तो उसी की वॉइस आ रही थी. आई थिंक अभी थोड़ा दूर चला गया, तो अभी आप लोग को वॉइस मेरी अब क्लियर सुनाई दे रही होगी. नाउ माय वॉइस इज क्लियर बेटा. अभी तो ज्यादा बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक नहीं आ रहा ना? आर यू एबल टू हियर मी? Okay, very good. Now, so I am explaining it again, beta. Today I will discuss bisection method and Regula Falsi method. In bisection method, if you have any algebraic or transcendental equation, first step, guess two values, two roots, a or b. Guess two values, a or b, such that fa is positive, then fb should be negative. If fa is negative, then fb will be positive. After that, this is your first approximation. After first approximation, now calculate fx1. If fx1 is 0, that means x1 is our exact root. But if fx1 is not 0, that means it can be positive, it can be negative. If this is positive, that means our root now lie between x1 and b. But if this is negative, then our root will lie between fa, that is a, between a and x1. If this is your case, then next approximation will be x1 plus b by 2. If this is your case, then next approximation will be x1 plus a by 2. Is it crystal clear to all of you, beta? ये सभी को clear है? Yeah, beta. This time I am in UP, Uttar Pradesh. I am not in Delhi right now. Is it crystal clear, beta? Okay, same thing. यहाँ हमने लिख भी दिया है. In theory, no need to read. Okay, so directly I am going to solve this beautiful problem where already given that x is an element or x is lies between 1 and 2. X lie between 1 and 2. If nothing is given in your examination, then trial and error method. Use trial and error method to obtain this range. Okay. Now see here beta, it's very easy. This problem is very easy. Okay. So determine the root of the given equation. So our fx will be here beta. Our fx will be x square minus 3. So this is our fx. Okay. Now let me check f1 and let me check f2. So f1 is 1 square minus 3, that means minus 2. Whereas f2 is 2 square minus 3, so this is 4 minus 3, 1. You can see this is negative, this is positive, so 100% f1 multiplied by f2 will give you negative value. That means our root lies between 1 and 2. So, first approximation x1 will be 1 plus 2 by 2, that becomes equals to 1.5. Here in this problem, ask for 3 iterations. So for second iteration, now check f1.5. Now check f1.5. It may come positive, negative or 0. So f1.5 will be 1.5 square. I am putting here 1.5 square minus 3. Now let me calculate. अभी तो बिल्कुल ही शांत हो गया होगा ना, मूर्ति चली गई. जय माता दी. ओके बेटा. So this is minus 0.75. Now you can see this is negative. That means, can you tell me root lies between 1.5 and 2 or between 1 and 1.5? Please tell me beta. This time root lies between 1 and 1.5 or 2 and 1.5? Come on everyone, please tell me beta. 1.5 and 2. Very good, because this is negative. So here f 1.5 multiplied by, if you are going to multiply this with 1, f1, then minus positive. That means greater than 0, but you need less than 0. So f2, now it is less than 0. That means now our root lies between 1.5 and 2. So our next root will be x2, and x2 equals to 1.5 plus 2 by 2. After solving 3.5 by 2, it's 1.75. So this is your second iteration, but in our problem asked for 3 iterations, 3 number of iterations. So now let me check fx2, that is f 1.75. So 1.75 is square minus 3. After solving you will get 0.0625. Is it correct beta? Please confirm me beta, everyone. Is it correct? So it's, yeah, correct. That means now f 1.75, this is positive, and last one was negative, into 1.5, it will give you negative value less than 0. It will give you less than 0. That means now our root lies between 1.5 and 1.75. So our next iteration, third one, will be 1.5 plus 1.75 divided by 2. After solving 1.5 plus 1.75 divided by 2, you will get 1.625. So this is your final answer. Very easy na beta? Very easy, up to 4 decimal place. So 1.6250 up to 3 decimal place. If asked up to 3 decimal place, then in that case, you will write 1.625. Okay, beta. Shall we move forward? Is it crystal clear to all of you? Those students who joined late, see here, beta. Now we are in lecture number 4 of numerical methods and lecture number 2 of solution of algebraic and transcendental equation. Okay, so bisection method, it's very easy method. You have to choose gas like this and this. After that, one gas will give you negative value, second gas will give you positive value. So this is your next value. Now root lies between this and this. So now this is midpoint. Okay, this is midpoint. So this is our x2. Now root will lies between this and this. So this is our x3. Now root will lies between this and this. So this is, now you can see beta. You can see now I am approaching real root value. Okay, so this is called bisection method. This is called bisection method. Its formula is very easy. Its formula is very easy. Iteration can be written as a plus b by 2. It's very easy. Okay, this is formula. This is formula. Okay, I hope each and every student is crystal clear. Okay beta, shall we move forward? Everyone please clear me beta. Is it crystal clear to all of you? बहुत आसान था ना? It's very easy. It's very easy beta. Shall we move forward? Come on, tell me everyone. Just write CC in comment section. आज आपके लिए बहुत सारे होमवर्क के प्रॉब्लम भी लेके आए हैं फ्रॉम ग्रेड PYQs. Okay, very good. So this is your homework. This is your homework from bisection method. Okay, find the root of the following polynomial function using the bisection method. Wait, this is not gate problem. ये गेट की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, गलती से यहाँ हमने लिख दिया है गेट. This is not gate problem. Okay, so solve this one. This is your homework. इसे सॉल्व कर लेना आप सभी लोग. यू कैन टेक ए स्क्रीनशॉट बेटा, बिकॉज होमवर्क आज आपके मोर देन 10 क्वेश्चंस हैं. होमवर्क मोर देन 10 क्वेश्चंस. This one second homework from CS branch 1995 relating Newton-Raphson method. Take a screenshot. This one another from mechanical 2016 Newton-Raphson method. Don't forget to change your calci in radian unit, and if you want to type pi, then please write 3.14 instead of pi. Okay, so cos 3.14 by 4 in radian. Okay, this is another problem from civil branch 2005. Please take a screenshot. Another one from CS branch 1996. Okay, lecture PDF will be available in Gate Chemic Learning App beta. Okay, this one another. चलो आज ही हम अपलोड कर देते हैं. Okay, this one another one from 1997 CS. This one from 1999 CS. Take screenshots. This one from civil engineering 2005. It's 1 by A. It's 1 by A. Okay. And 23 number, this one from mechanical engineering 2005. This one from PI branch 2005. This one from PI branch 2005. This one from PI branch 2005. ओके, कंप्लीटेड बेटा. इतना लगा लेने का, ऐसे आपको हम पर डे होमवर्क देते रहेंगे. ओके, इस तरह से हम आपको पर डे होमवर्क देते रहेंगे. अगर कोई ऐसा, सबके मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, लगभग सभी के आंसर यहाँ नीचे में लिखे भी हुए हैं। अगर किसी क्वेश्चन पे स्टक कर जाते हो, नहीं लगा पाते हो, इफ यू फील डिफिकल्टी इन एनी होमवर्क प्रॉब्लम, नो नीड टू वरी, यू कैन आस्क मी इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर कि सर एक्सप्लेन प्रॉब्लम नंबर इतना ऑफ होमवर्क। ओके, सो होमवर्क कंप्लीट कर लेना बेटा, जितने प्रॉब्लम हम आपको लगवा रहे हैं दैट्स मोर देन सफिशिएंट, नो नीड टू सी एनी बुक। ओके ओके बेटा, सो नाउ आई एम coming to next method, regular falsi method. Regular falsi method. This is simple theory and derivation. No need to write, and I am also explaining it in just 1 minute. Okay, regular falsi method. Falsi means test, means guess. You are going to guess what should be value of root, what should be real root value. Okay, so in similar manner here too, you need two initial points in which between which your real root lies, such that fa and fb, if you are going to multiply, definitely you will get negative sign. Okay, because fa and fb will have opposite signs. Okay, now see here, this graph beta, this is your, see here beta, this is your main graph. This is your main graph, y equals to fx, y equals to fx. Okay, I am going to join this point with this point. Okay, and also this point with this point. First check slope of ab, then check slope of ax1. Okay, these both slopes will be equal because it's a straight line. Okay, in this manner you will get a beautiful formula to calculate this x1. Once you got this x1, now come to again to your fx graph, and now again join this with this, and again in next step your slope will be a into d, a and d point equals to a into x2 point. In this manner you will get x2. In subsequent stages, after every stage you will approach your real root. Okay, so this is graphical representation of this regular falsi or false position method. Now see here beta, see here, it's very easy. In similar manner you can see this is your straight line equation by using slope, that is y minus fa upon x minus fa becomes equals to fb minus fa upon b minus a. Okay, and if y is 0, then this is your equation, and just I am solving this equation, you can see just solving, nothing special, and finally I got this formula, finally I got this formula. Okay, see here, this is my formula. It will give you x1, it will give you x2, it will give you x3, x4, x5, and so on. How to choose a and b? How to choose a and b for each iteration? How to choose a and b for each iteration? How to choose a and b for each iteration? So the answer is in similar manner, in similar manner as in bisection, as in bisection method, and this method is faster than bisection method. I will discuss tomorrow rate of convergence of bisection method, rate of convergence of regular falsi method, and remaining methods. That means tomorrow we will finish this chapter, solution of algebraic and transcendental equation. That means in each and every iteration you have to choose a and b, a and b. Okay, wait, I need one more slide. Okay, so our formula for nth iteration was, you can see here, it's a f b minus b f a upon f b minus f a. In a few books or at some places, you will get formula wait, it's b minus fb into b minus a whole upon fb minus fa. So which one is correct? Which one is correct? कौन सा सही है इसमें से? No need to worry बेटा. Now see here, I am going to take LCM. My LCM is FB minus FA. Now see here, it's B FB minus FA minus FB B minus A. Please open this bracket beta. After opening bracket, it's B into FB minus B into FA and minus B into FB, and minus minus will give you plus A into FB and whole upon FB minus FA. Now you can see beta, something is going to cancel this one with this one. Now finally what will we get? A, this one, this term beta, A FB minus B FA upon FB minus FA. So you can see beta, both are same. Both are same. It may be given in terms of x1, x2, x3. Both are same. In few places you can see this equation as x3 barabar x3 बराबर x1 f x2 minus x2 f x1 upon f x2 minus f x1. So it is difficult to remember. It is difficult to remember. So remember this as xn equals to a f b minus b f a upon f b minus f a. That's it. Is it crystal clear बेटा? भूलोगे नहीं? Everyone crystal clear? Shall we move forward? Problem solve करने चला जाए. Is it crystal clear to all of you beta? Come on, tell me everyone. Is it crystal clear beta? Any doubt? Shall we move forward beta? Please write yes in comment section. Everyone beta, please write yes in comment section. Okay, very good. Okay beta. So now see beautiful problem number 27. Find a root for the equation 2e to the power x sin x equals to 3 using the false position method. One thing, more thing beta, this method is known as Regula Falsi method as well as false position method. Both are 100% same. Okay. Now see here, our question is find a root for the equation 2ex sin x equals to 3 using the false position method and correct it to 3 decimal places with 2 iterations. Beta, one thing you must clear, precaution in transcendental equation with trigonometric functions. Precaution, if pi is there, first precaution, convert your calci in radian unit. Second, if anywhere you have to put pi or click pi, then click pi from your calci or put 3.14, but pi option is available in your virtual calci, so click pi. Okay, so don't forget these two. If your transcendental equation having trigonometric functions in it. ओके बेटा, सो ये प्रिकॉशन है, ध्यान रखेंगे इसका. नाउ फाइंड अ रूट फॉर द इक्वेशन 2e(x sin x equals to 3. So our fx is here 2e to the power x sin x. If you are going to take this as your fx, then it is wrong, because our fx is 2e to the power x sin x minus 3. This is our fx. Okay, that becomes equals to 0. Okay, so we have to calculate root value by using a false position, that is the Regula Falsi method. They can give you the range in your examination, so I am giving you range here. It is available with this question, so it's 0 and 1. If not available, then obtain this range by using trial and error method. Obtain this by using trial and error method. That means my root will lie between 0 and 1. My root will lie between 0 and 1. Now see here beta, first I am going to calculate f0. So f0 is I am going to take this and this as my a and b. If fa into fb, multiplication of fa and fb is negative. Okay, so f0, so it's 2e0 sine 0 minus 3. Sine 0 in degree or radian, 0, always 0. So here I got minus 3. Similarly, I want to calculate f1. So f1 is 2 e to the power 1 sine 1 minus 3. After calculation, it will come 1.5747. And please beta, आप सभी confirm करेंगे, please confirm me. First calculate this and please confirm me कि आपका calculation में ये आया कि नहीं आया, because इसमें calculation mistake बहुत होती है. Please tell me beta everyone. You got f1 as 1.5747? Same. Very good, Jayant beta. Now it means f naught or f0, चूंकि f0 into f1 is less than 0, so our root will lie between 0 and 1. So I am taking this 0 as my a and I am taking this 1 as my b for first iteration. So first iteration x1 equals to b, sorry, बॉटम में जैसा दिखता है न्यूमरेटर में भी तो वैसा ही होता है ना. क्या हम बोल रहे हैं, सी हियर fb minus fa, same thing in denominator, fb minus fa. Now with fb put here a, with fa put here b. Okay, now see here a is 0, wait, see here this side x1 equals to a0 and fb means f1 is 1.5747 minus b, how much b is 1, and fa is minus 3, and whole upon fb is 1.5747, this is your fb, and minus fa is minus 3. Please tell me beta, after calculation x1 equals to कितना आ रहा है आपका, प्लीज टेल मी बेटा एवरीवन द वैल्यू ऑफ x1. फटाफट बताओ भाई एवरीवन, प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ f1. टेल मी बेटा द वैल्यू ऑफ x1 is Okay, it's 0.6557. Absolutely correct. 0.6557. So this is our x1. But in this problem, we need two iterations. Okay. So how to perform second iteration? See. Now we have to calculate fx1. That is f x1 was 0.6557. 6557. And 2 to the power x, so 2 to the power 0.6557, and sine x, so sine 0.6557 minus 3. Please tell me after calculation. Tell me क्या आ रहा है आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन बेटा. इट्स माइनस 0. एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. क्या बात है भाई. एवरीवन सभी सही हो बेटा. वेरी गुड. सो नाउ रूट विल लाई बिटवीन बेटा x1 and 0 or 1 and x1. Can you tell me बेटा next root will be lie between 0 and x1 or 1 and x1? Tell me बेटा. Everyone come on. 0 and x1 or 1 and x1? Very good बेटा विभाष. Very good Jayant. Rishikesh, Mukul, Pintu, everyone बेटा please tell me. Now root will lie between 1 and x1. Why? Because x1, fx1 is negative and f1 is positive. Okay. So now f1 into f 0.6557 is less than 0. That means now our root lies between 0.6557 and 1. So in this way we can calculate next iteration. So next iteration x2 can be written as, this time I am going to take this as my A and this as my B. Be careful beta. Okay. First write formula here. So it's A FB minus B FA upon FB minus FA. Okay. So this time my A is 0.6557 into FB. My B is 1. So F1 was 1.5747. 1.5747 minus B is 1 and FA is 0.6557. So this is my FA minus 0.6508 whole upon FB minus FA. So B is 1 and A is 0.6557. Tell me बेटा after calculation the value of x2 is, सभी लोग बताएंगे. Come on बेटा everyone. 0.6557 into 1.5747 minus plus 0.6508 divided by 1 minus 0.6557. Please tell बेटा कितना आ रहा है. डिनोमिनेटर गलत ले लिया. ओहो इट्स एफ वी माइनस एफ ए, इसीलिए 4 पॉइंट समथिंग आने लगा. हम तो कंफ्यूज, हम तो कि ये क्या कर दिया भाई, कहाँ मिस्टेक लिख दिया हमने उतारने में. सो डिनोमिनेटर इज 1.5747 एफ बी माइनस एफ ए. सो एफ ए इज माइनस 0.6508. Okay बेटा, very good. So 0.6557 into 1.5747 plus 0.6508 divided by 1.5747 plus 0.6508. How much beta? 0.75638. 0.75638. Is it correct beta? So up to 3 decimal place we can write this as 756. So this is our final answer. Is it crystal clear to all of you beta? आसान है ना, easy है ना? Please tell me everyone beta, is it crystal clear and easy? Very very easy na? Very very easy? Easier than Newton-Raphson, because in Newton-Raphson a differentiation is there. Like if you got any equation having log base 10 x type, then differentiation will be little bit lengthier. Okay, but here no differentiation required. Here no differentiation required. That means it is easier but slower than Newton-Raphson. It is easier than Newton-Raphson but slower than Newton-Raphson. Okay, everyone crystal clear beta? So ये लो बेटा एक और बेहतरीन होमवर्क. Find the root of the equation x cube minus 2x equals to 5 using the false position method and correct to 3 decimal places. का आंसर क्या है? कितने 2 iterations. अगर 2 iterations निकालोगे so आंसर आपका क्या आएगा? I am giving you answer here. First iteration will come 2.0588. Okay, मिला लेना सभी लोग. Second iteration will be 2.0812. So this is your answer. But if in your examination they ask for third iteration, then it will be 2.0896. If fourth iteration, then your answer will be 2.0927. हम चाहेंगे आप इसे घर पे 4 इटरेशन तक परफॉर्म करना, जिससे प्रैक्टिस हो जाए आपकी. ठीक है? सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क. प्लीज होमवर्क जो भी देते हैं बेटा, कंप्लीट योर होमवर्क विद इन 24 आवर्स, यानी कि नेक्स्ट क्लास के पहले आप अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट कर लें. ओके, एनी डाउट? किसी को कोई डाउट है बेटा? एनी वन? जस्ट few more seconds beta. See here, a little bit revision. Okay, one is Newton-Raphson method, second one is Bisection method, and third one is Regula Falsi method. In Newton-Raphson method we got beautiful formula f xn plus 1 equals to xn minus, here minus, no plus beta, f xn upon f xn dash. That means first differentiation. In bisection method it's very very easy, a plus b by 2. And here in Regula Falsi method it's very very easy, a f b minus b f a upon f b minus f a. Okay beta, so don't forget this. It's very very easy. Remaining method I will discuss tomorrow. Tomorrow we will finish solution of algebraic and transcendental equation. Then we will start numerical methods, Simpson, in numerical methods Simpson rules, trapezoidal rule. Okay, followed by Euler's forward, backward, Picard, and Ranjakatta, different orders. So for today that's it beta. Don't forget to revise every day. I must do my revision daily, 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 I must do my revision daily. If you want rank 1, if you want rank 100, or if you want any rank between 1 and 100, अगर आपको ये rank चाहिए बेटा, so don't forget to revise every day, every day, every day. Okay, and also I am going to discuss again about pure numericals batch. Pure numerical batch is going on. In this batch, we will discuss numericals from more than 300 books. उनके न्यूमेरिकल्स को ले करके by taking their numericals with their theories and converting them into gate type numericals. And then we are discussing here in pure numerical batch new questions weightage. New questions weightage will be approximately 80%. PYQs from 1983 to 2000, 15%. And PYQs from 2001 to 2022, important PYQs from this period, we will take approximately 5%. That means mostly we will discuss new questions in this batch, 2 marks questions. Okay, mostly 2 marks questions we are discussing in this pure numerical batch. Its language, main language is English, but you can ask your doubts or you can ask for explanation again in your own Hindi language too if you are little bit uncomfortable with English. Okay, सो फॉर टुडे दैट्स इट बेटा एंड अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी गुड नाइट टू ऑल ऑफ यू. होप आप सबने आज के लेक्चर को एंजॉय किया. आज के लेक्चर में कुछ भी नहीं था, बहुत ही आसान से हम लोगों ने 2 मेथड को डिस्कस किया. ओके, फर्स्ट था आपका बाइसेक्शन मेथड. जो भी चीज़ें हमने यहाँ बताई थी सब कुछ हमने यहाँ पे लिख दिया था. सर ऑफलाइन बैच के कोर्स खत्म नहीं, ऑफलाइन में बेटा दिस टाइम जस्ट वन सब्जेक्ट लेफ्ट, थर्मोडायनेमिक्स. थर्मो को छोड़ के सब कुछ हो गया है. ओके, थर्मोडायनेमिक्स फर्स्ट बैच की थर्मोडायनेमिक्स भी इस मंथ में खत्म हो जाएगी. ओके, वेरी हैप्पी गुड नाइट बेटा ऋषिकेश. सो चलते हैं बेटा. होमवर्क को कंप्लीट जरूर कर लेना. कितने होमवर्क हैं आपके? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 13 होमवर्क्स. ओके, 13 क्वेश्चंस हमने आपको दिए हैं. अप्रॉक्सीमेटली ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आप अच्छे से लगाओ, देन इट विल टेक अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 30 to 40 मिनट मैक्स. ओके, सो अ वेरी हैप्पी गुड नाइट टू ऑल ऑफ यू एंड ऑल द बेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू बेटा. टेक केयर, ध्यान रखेंगे सभी लोग. वी विल मीट टुमारो अगेन. For PDF of these lectures, download Chemic Learning App from Play Store and ask for PDF in comment section, in chat section there. Okay? Look beta, I am finishing. Take care.